Đây từng là loài côn trùng phá hoại mùa màng, nhưng hôm nay nó đang trở thành nguồn protein của tương lai. Bên trong quy trình này, bạn sẽ thấy cách chúng được xử lý từ đầu đến cuối. Bạn đang xem từ đâu? Hãy bình luận bên dưới và đừng bỏ lỡ phần cuối.
The plague that terrorized fields 12 hours ago is now sealed, labeled, and moving toward a facility that will transform it into the world's most advanced.
The density is exceeding expectations. Confirmed, we are seeing near perfect viability across the surface.
An extreme macro lens isolates a single newborn first instar nymph, captured in full biological detail. This scene is the biological turning point of the entire manufacturing journey, the moment the raw material stops being produced and starts being grown. This is the foundational manufacturing action of the entire vertical farm system. One nymph, one sprout, one protein conversion. The feed cycle on Tower 4 is running 10 minutes ahead of schedule.
Acknowledged. I'll adjust the harvest projection ratio accordingly.
Climate levels holding steady at 28. Biostatus confirms optimal molting rates. Feed delivery synchronized across all zones.
Harvest floor, this is control. Protocol is active, temperature dropping to 4. Acknowledge readiness.
Control room, this is station 3. We have confirmation on cage empty status, and material flow is nominal. 1 kilogram red locusts equals the protein content of 2 kilograms beef at 1/1000 of water with 0 methane emissions. Keep the base steady, don't let the line stop. Roger that. Hey, bin 5 is secured and inbound. Locusts on the moving belt passing through the densest nitrogen vapor zone. Their surface temperature dropping from 40 degrees Celsius to -40 degrees Celsius in under 5 seconds. All protein preserved at a molecular level. Cryogenic freeze, the only method that stops time without destroying structure. A close-up through the steam chamber's small observation window shows the thaw progression in real time. Throat split. Fully defrosted desert locusts exit the steam chamber on a drainage tank and transfer into the intake chute of a large industrial. Multiple rows of high-pressure spray nozzles direct potable water jets at the product from above, below, and both sides simultaneously. Drained locusts from the hydrogen conveyor are loaded into a large industrial basket centrifuge, a food-grade stainless steel rotating drum unit approximately 1.5 meters in diameter. Check the protein analysis results from line 4.
And moisture count. We need sign off before 1400.
Bạn đang xem từ đâu? Hãy bình luận bên dưới, mình rất tò mò và đừng rời đi vì ở cuối video bạn sẽ thấy kết quả mà ít ai ngờ tới. Quy trình này thay đổi từng giây, chỉ cần bỏ lỡ một bước, bạn sẽ không hiểu toàn bộ câu chuyện.
The roasting oven is the dominant machine of the entire processing floor, radiating a visible warmth.
Further downstream on the production conveyor, each of the 3 sorted product streams passes through an X-ray inspection cabinet, flagging any density anomaly. The premium whole locusts move through line 1 seasoning drum, with internal spray nozzles applying a precisely metered mist of herb and spice seasoning blend to the rotating product mass. The premium whole line 1 seasoning drum, a tumbling drum unit with internal spray nozzles. The premium whole tree locusts move through line 1 seasoning drum, a tumbling drum unit with internal spray nozzles applying a precisely metered mist of herb and spice seasoning blend. Stations. The pressed omega oil collected is transferred to a filtration unit that removes fine solid particles while preserving its complete fatty. The precision volumetric piston filler deposits exactly 250 milliliters of golden amber locust oil. If the seal fails, the box does not leave. Zero compromise at the last gate.
Try them. They are the best quality we have. Excellent. I will take half a kilo.
taste like roasted nuts and chocolate? Because it is, and a little more.